Hello my beauties, it's your girl Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. In today's video, I'm creating these really cute 3D aura nails, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get on with this video. So to start off, I have my nail tips glued down, and these are half cover tips. And as you can see on my right hand, I'm showing you the nail set that I did in my previous videos. If you want to see how I did that, please check it out. These are super cute. But the first thing we're going to do is start off by laying down a base coat on my nails, and then we're going to cure this for about 10 to 20 seconds. So for the polygel I'm using today, I'm using this Radiance color from SXC. This is a polygel I've never used on my channel before, but I am familiar with this brand and I love their polygel and its consistency. The color is a very pale pink with fine glitter in it, so when the nail look comes together, you'll see what I'm talking about. One thing that I've been starting is using a really small bead of polygel on my nails and working with that, and it's really improved the shape of my nails since I started doing this. You might have noticed this in my previous video, but the shaping is a lot better than my videos in the past. And I noticed this because I feel like if I add too much polygel, it's harder to file and shape, and you really want a really beautiful and sexy defined shape of your nails regardless of what shape they are. And it's a lot easier to obtain this when you use less polygel. So essentially what I'm trying to say is less is more.
Me, girl. 5'7", I'm messy, girl. Famous, but I'm not for sale. Why you trying to possess me, girl? I mean, you know what upset me, girl. Was like that when you met me, girl. Cause he'll put you in princess shoes. Elevate your respect, you too. Here's 10K, I'm in a sexy mood. Don't let the homies touch you, move. Yeah, niggas know that I'm...
Want a foreign girl, that's it. I told him I want the world, that's it. Gucci dress and Fendi fur, oh yeah, oh, that's it. I don't love nobody first, that's it. But you made this pussy square, that's it. So that I bitch to hit the curb, that's it. Yeah, oh, that's it.
That's it. 5, 6. Blue tips, rich, but you rich. I know how to swim. Why don't want wrist? Why don't want neck? She rubbing my bank. I walk in the bank. I leave it with racks. I live with beanie knees. No kizzy, no kini knee. Some beds at Tennessee. I try to get it back. Told it, swim up 6. Fuck it, so good, need a check. The beam on the back of the tech. My island bitch shoot it the best. Correct. My foreign little bitch, know how to really stress. Yes.
Ooh, that's it. You just want a foreign girl, that's it. I told him I want the world, that's it. Gucci dress and Fendi fur, oh yeah, oh, that's it. I don't love nobody first, that's it. But you made this pussy square, that's it. So that I bitch to hit the curb, that's it.
That bitch can't get no balance on the dick, but she a Libra. That bitch can't get $1 from this shit, it's that Belisa. I bust it on the features, then give her back to Jesus. Cause if I try to keep it, you know I got Keisha, you know I got Caesar, lick it, pleases, you know I got niggas in my whip, looking at this shit like I won't bust. All my dogs got it filled up, it's still cross. All my dogs got it filled up, it's real crop. All my dogs got it filled up, it's still dropping. This, imagine how niggas came up from the south, knowing them streets done did you dirt. Coming up these niggas with no fan, what's that nigga don't touch my stash. Yeah. In the curve, I wanna count on the Benjamins. She wanna
So now it's time to file the nails. I'm using my e-file and sanding band, and I'm turning on my nail dust collector, and I'm going to file the nails down and even them out, and then we're going to go into buffing.
I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too crazy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. Ah, babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. Baby, you a little 48, baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably coincide. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the Jeep blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you in on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge.
So actually, before I start to buff my nails, I'm going to use my tapered barrel drill bit, and I'm going to finesse the cuticles.
Then I might brush you again, hey. Then I might brush you again, hey. Then I might brush you again, lady. There's a phone you can reach, you know I don't give for keeps. You're trying to feed me with jealousy. Girl, you must know nothing about me. I never go here on a plan B, plan B, plan B. I never go here on a plan B, plan B, plan B. Yeah, brush you again, then I might brush you again, hey. Then I might brush you again, hey. Then I might brush you again, lady. I told her free, there's a crowd. I'm on the airplane above the ground. I can't throw away everything now. You only need me when I'm in town, in town, in town. You only need me when I'm in town, in town, in town. Yeah, brush you again, then I might brush you again, hey. Then I might brush you again, hey. Then I might brush you again, lady. Lady,
So now it's on to the fun part. I'm going to be using my airbrush machine. I've used this on my channel a few times already, and so I have all the things that you'll need to do this placed in front of me. I'm going to be pouring some acetone into this little container here on the airbrush, and I usually just pour it into the cap before pouring it in. It does get a little messy sometimes, and you know, you can spill things all over, so just make sure you have a napkin or towel underneath while you're working. And after I put in the acetone, I'm going to also put in my gel polish color. So I decided on this magenta color here. I don't remember the brand and I'm not sure if they still sell on Amazon, but I will definitely find an alternative for you and link it below. So what I also like to do is just take a little bit on the spatula that I use for my polygel, and then I just mix it in there real nice. And if you need to, you can always add more just to make sure the color is very pigmented before you start to airbrush.
Send me love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief.
Make sure you test out your airbrush on a paper towel before you begin, and always have a layer of base coat cured on your nail before you start airbrushing it.
Running to the other side when it's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right here. I really need my love. I need to bring my love. I need to bring my love.
I decided to do an additional layer of airbrush on the nails because I just wanted to be a bit of a deeper magenta pink color.
Freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now, yeah, to set me free. Now I need to find release. Set me to the
To create that really clear 3D effect on the nails, I'm using Rhinestone Glue, and it's going to be the same exact Rhinestone Glue I've used in previous videos to glue down charms and gems. And I'm just going to draw a really thin pattern and cure it, and then what I'll end up doing is going over it at least 1 or 2 more times just to make the pattern a bit thicker and appear more 3D.
Catch a groove like do a leap. I'm trying to do more with her than do a feature. I check the weather, they are chewing me up. Fuck it, fade away, I left that Lucanea. I heard from someone you say you could be us. Nothing, you know my city like a Noperia. All these discussions over who could see us. Hush, I sold them basements, now let's do arenas. Crush it, she looking, I'm blushing, I'm lying, I'm touching. I need this shit to be taken up, I got accustomed to it. Fuck a leap of faith, I took a jump just like it's nothing to it. Girl, them Russian twists is working, I just push a button to it. I like talk, I'm cutting through it. I ain't no connoisseur, but I like this kind of story. I got nothing to do with who the fuck they think I'm screwing. 9 times out of 10 I had them, then I blew it. But I need some do a leap. I'm trying to do more with her than do a feature. I check the weather, they are chewing me up. Fuck it, fade away, I left that Lucanea. I heard from someone you say you could be us. Nothing, you know my city like a Noperia. All these discussions over who could see us. Hush, I sold them basements, now let's do arenas. Crush it, she looking, I'm blushing, I'm lying, I'm touching. So why you being extra, huh? Being extra. She's a European and she know I'm seeing extra. Got a main character, but you could be an extra. Yes, sir. We the hottest, I used to be next up. Now I'm on some Ariana. Thank you, next, bruh. Shorty came from Lex and she flexed up. EJ turned these motherfucking packs up. my connects up. I get like 3 something every time I dress up. I told Jesus I got a confession. If about to be something, they gon' have to catch up. So what's up? Do a leap. I'm trying to do more with her than do a feature. I checked the weather, they already showing me up. Fuck it, fade away, I left that Lucania. I heard from someone you say you could be us. Nothing, you know my city like a no Korea. All these discussions over who will see us. Hush, I sold them basements, now let's do arenas. Crush it, she looking, I'm blushing, I'm lying, I'm touching.
Just hide, phone up 45, don't get out of line. Yeah, ooh, 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 pick a side. Only double lines we cross is dollar signs. Yeah, ooh, 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 hold up.
So last but not least, to wrap up this nail set, we are using top coat over the nails.
Be waving the room, the crowd gon' move. Look around, everybody on mute. Look around, it's me and my crew. Big.
He was on stop mode, that froze, post on page Vogue, no post, chat too much, bro, clip on load. That's that Kodak, energy, 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 yeah, yeah.
Gold links, raw dinner, you know that we do it grinding. You know that I'm gonna be extra, and the camera go pop, 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 pop. Keep 'em waiting like that, 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 that. Ooh la la la, that's the way them boys sound when I walk through the black, black, black. Then I Uzi that doozy, shot, shot, shot. Minding our business, popping our paint and champagne through the ceiling, sipping it up, drinking it up. All this good energy got you all in your feelings, feelings. I'm crazy, I'm swearing, I'm daring, your man staring. I just entered the country with derringers, cause them Karens just turned into terrorists.
Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you loved how these nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment and subscribe so you never miss any uploads from my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video and support my channel. Much love for me, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'ma make you go